Hello and welcome to my video all about how to make fluffy slime using shaving foam. This recipe is perfect if you want a more sticky, gooey and messy slime and one that smells nice rather than the stretchy kind of slime that's like putty. Here I have a takeaway container that I'm going to do the mixing in, as well as a measuring cup and a stirring stick. I'm also going to need shaving foam. Make sure it's foam rather than gel. Some saline solution or contact lens solution that has to contain boric acid and sodium borate, PVA glue, and bicarbonate of soda, or baking soda if you're in the US. Food colouring and glitter are optional extras. The first thing you need to do is measure out 3 cups, or about 360 milliliters, of shaving foam. I'm using my measuring cup to do this. Then add the shaving foam into your mixing container or bowl. Don't worry about getting the amount exact because it is very difficult to measure foam accurately. At this point you can add in any food colouring or glitter. You then need to measure out half a cup or 120 milliliters of PVA glue. Then add that to the mixture and stir it in. Make sure you stir thoroughly, but try not to knock all the air out of the foam. You then need to add between 1/4 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. And then the final ingredient is the saline solution. I would recommend to add this gradually whilst stirring until you get the consistency that you want. I added what I estimated to be about 1 tablespoon to start with. The more rubbery you want the slime to be, the more saline solution you'll have to add. You don't want to add more than about 2 tablespoons of the solution in total. And then you just get mixing. If you want a very brief explanation of the science behind this, basically the borate ions in the boric acid in the saline solution mix with the PVA glue to make a stretchy substance via cross-linking. PVA stands for polyvinyl acetate, so the glue is a polymer which is made up of strands of molecules that flow past each other. Borate ions connect the long strands together, and then the strands all tangle up and become more solid and rubbery. Once you've mixed it enough, the slime will all start to clump together and come away from the sides of the bowl. Once all the slime has clumped together in a more solid mass, you can then take it out of the container and start kneading it with your hands. This just involves basically playing with it, stretching it, squeezing it with your hands, just to make it more smooth and rubbery. This slime is fairly stretchy and sticky and is a bit more messy than other slimes. I really hope you have fun making this slime, and thank you very much for watching.